On the road to Dartmouth, yeah boys! Still on the road boys, with a bit of kernel, finger licking good. Good night guys, see you in the morning. Say good night.
We go fishing. Jack's getting the boat ready. Ready to go. We've got bacon and egg rolls ready to go. Good morning.
Morning, boys.
Corey's ready to go.
Yep.
So's Gormo.
Oh, yep.
Jack's all set up. First we got here, we got Nader. Steve's ready to go. Hopefully it's not too wet for him today.
G'day guys, so I'm just going to talk you through the tackle we're running. We've got a small 2 to 4 kilo rod, mono line, never braid, because when you're trawling, braid tends to tangle, I find. Just do a swivel, and we've got about sort of 1.5 metres, 2 metres of 12-pound mono. Now, a lot of people talk differently about how the best way to hook it up is, but personally we're using the Gamakatsu trawling hooks. So small hook, red bead and the Tassie. So obviously when the fish comes in, you can bite the single hook, hooks up perfectly in the corner of the jaw, and the Tassie's free to run up the line so they don't throw the hook. Nice beef patty, onion, top with tomato, shut the lid. Thanks for bloody coming. Dartmouth burger.
Whoa! Crusoe's got himself a nice brown. Get him round, get him round. Woo-hoo-hoo! Get him, mate. Oh, hey!
First ever trout, Louis?
Yeah, bro.
That's a bloody ripper. Absolute ripper.
The boys coming aboard.
Oh, tell you what, these ski pants aren't flexible.
Corey. Absolute cracking weekend at Dartmouth.
Plenty of trouts.
Alright,
Big
Louis,
smiles.
chuck them in the bag for us. So now, for a night at the pub with the boys. Cheers, boys!
King fucking Brown! In the morning! Everybody get on the pub!
Louis, won you win!
11th prize, baby!
Louis! Skull a beer for us, Louis! Get him up, ya! Yeah, Louis! There you go. Another one! Yeah, Louis!
Beautiful day.
Oh,